At LG, innovation isn't just about advancing technology, it's about elevating comfortable living. Introducing LG Split Air Conditioners, the pinnacle of next-gen cooling designed to deliver powerful performance, intelligent energy management, and lasting comfort. Thoughtfully designed for modern homes and built to handle Indian weather conditions, this range brings together powerful cooling, intelligent efficiency, and long-lasting durability. So you stay comfortable no matter the season. When it comes to performance, LG air conditioners provide unmatched cooling with superior durability. At the core of its performance is LG's single inverter technology, designed to deliver efficient and stable cooling. It intelligently adjusts compressor operations based on the room's requirements, ensuring consistent comfort with optimized energy usage. But cooling needs aren't the same all the time, are they? Sometimes you need full power, sometimes just enough to stay comfortable. With AI convertible 6-in-1 technology, you can adjust the cooling capacity depending on the number of people in the room or the heat outside. This flexibility not only maintains comfort, it also helps reduce unnecessary power consumption. And when the heat peaks or the room fills up, Virat Mode delivers that extra boost by increasing cooling capacity up to 124%. It ensures faster cooling even in larger spaces, perfect for living rooms, gatherings, or peak summer afternoons. Performance isn't just about cooling power, it's also about durability. That's why LG uses 100% copper condenser tubes for superior heat transfer and strength. As a result, the condenser stays protected from rust, corrosion, humidity, and pollution, making it ideal for India's diverse climates. Supporting the system are high-grooved copper pipes that enhance refrigerant flow and heat dissipation, ensuring consistent cooling performance over and over again. Isn't that cool? For those seeking effortless comfort, LG air conditioners offer the finest technologies to enhance the user's comfort and convenience. Worried about electricity bills? LG's Diet Mode Plus addresses exactly that. This intelligent feature allows the AC to operate on minimal power input as low as 25% while still maintaining comfortable cooling. So you save energy without sacrificing comfort. And if the air conditioner ever needs attention, Smart Diagnosis makes troubleshooting easier than ever. The self-diagnosis feature through the LG ThinQ app smartly detects and fixes issues, reducing downtime and ensuring uninterrupted comfort. Blending beautifully into your interiors is the magic display. Hidden when switched off and softly illuminated when in use, it adds a sleek, modern touch to your space. Cooling isn't comfortable unless it's evenly distributed. That's why the 4-way air swing directs airflow in every direction, ensuring uniform cooling across the room. And for moments when you want gentle cooling, LG's Comfort Air prevents direct airflow from blowing onto you, creating a more soothing, sleep-friendly environment. LG air conditioners come with multiple features that improve health and hygiene by reducing impurities, ensuring every breath is clean, refreshing, and safe. HimClean technology allows your LG AC to self-clean automatically. It forms an ice layer to capture dust and bacteria, then washes them away as the ice melts and drains out. During monsoons, humidity can make rooms feel sticky and uncomfortable. Monsoon Comfort technology balances moisture levels while maintaining cooling, keeping your space fresh and comfortable. The HT filter with antivirus protection captures dust, allergens, mold spores, and microbes, so every breath you take indoors feels cleaner and safer. LG air conditioners are durable and reliable, designed to endure extreme weather while delivering efficient, stable performance. The Goldfin Plus coating adds another layer of protection, shielding the condenser from rust, chemicals, and moisture. Low gas detection alerts you via the CH38 display on the AC when refrigerant levels drop, helping prevent major damage and ensuring timely service. Voltage fluctuations are common, but this AC operates safely across a wide range without needing an external stabilizer. Auto Clean automatically dries internal components after use, preventing mold buildup and unpleasant odors. Advanced ADC safety sensors continuously monitor performance, ensuring stable, reliable operation. And for complete peace of mind, LG backs this AC with a 10-year warranty on the compressor and 5-year warranty on the PCB and motors. This series is available in various capacities that seamlessly integrate into your space. Its efficiency is as commendable as its design, boosting a BEE rating of 3 to 5 stars, ensuring top-tier energy efficiency. Inside the box, you will find everything required for installation, like the indoor unit, the outdoor unit, a user manual, 1 power cable, 1 remote, 1 installation plate, and 2 installation pipes. From secure checkout to fast doorstep delivery and professional installation, LG ensures a seamless purchase and setup experience. Upgrade your comfort today with LG split air conditioners and experience cooling that truly works around your life.